Hello everyone, I'm JD Flutes. Before I explain to you what this flute is, this flute here is actually a customized flute. I produced this flute for one of my friends. Guess what his name is? His name is Jim. Jim contacted me. I had did a video of a lot of different types of flutes, or I had put up that I produced a lot of different types of flutes below the video. I can't remember, but anyways, he contacted me. He said, Jimmy, JD, he said, I see that you make every flute but E flat. And I said, Jim, I said, man, you know I can make any flute that you want. And so I sort of convinced Jim to let me produce him an E flat. Now, Jim, he wanted an E flat with the produced with in 440 hertz. But I knew that was a chord or a key that was very familiar and used quite often. So he came to me to contact Jim. He came to me. I didn't really want to produce that 440 hertz. My nose is itching. Somebody must be talking about me. I didn't really want to produce that 440 hertz because it's already out there, you know. And it's a common key for a lot of instruments. So I contacted Jim and I asked him if it would be alright to produce something that I haven't seen out there before. I asked him if I could produce him a E flat, a bass E flat, tuned to 528 hertz, the frequency of love, because I have searched the internet, the web, I've searched everywhere, and I can't find a bass E flat produced with 528 hertz anywhere. And I said, Jim, I said, man, I said, it would be nice. You know, how would you like to have a flute that no one else has? And he responded back to me. He said he knew that I was excited and I really wanted to make this flute. And so he gave me the okay to produce him the 528 hertz. And folks, let me tell you, I love this voice. To me, it is so calming and it's so soothing and it's so relaxing. I hope Jim is a professional. He can play stuff that I can't play on a flute. I'll be honest, he is way better than I am. So I'm pretty sure Jim can make it talk when he gets it in his hands. But I'm going to do my best to let you all hear its voice. Like I said, it is very soothing to me. I love it. I could play this flute all day long. And I've made this flute the way I make my 2019 flute. So this is my new 2019 flute design. It's a bass E flat tuned to 528 hertz, the frequency of love. And it's produced with a 1-inch bore. Jim, I hope you love it, buddy. This flute has been produced with an oil finish. As you can see, the oil, it has a little satin shine to it. I gave Jim a little bit of yellow sapwood in his flute because he really wanted a two-tone flute. But when I saw this piece of wood, I really wanted to make it for Jim. You know. I prayed over this wood and I asked God to bless it when I seen it. And the Lord, He helped me produce this wonderful flute. It's just amazing how you can take a block of wood and it will come alive, you know. It's just amazing. It's just a feeling I just can't explain. But I thank the Lord for this gift that He's given me. This flute, as you can see, has very small finger holes and they're close together. Jim wanted my hawk fetish, but he didn't want turquoise eyes, so I made his eyes like this for his hawk. And since it had yellow sapwood, yellowish, goldish looking, I went ahead and wrapped this flute with gold, very soft deer leather. It's genuine leather. I feel like his flute came out just wonderfully, folks. I love it. Up on the bottom, you will see JD Flutes, E with a small B, if you can see it. The small B stands for flat, and it's 528 Hertz. If you can see it. But I'm going to let you hear what your flute sounds like, Jim. I love it, buddy. I love it, brother. Okay. And also, his flute will come with different types of fetishes. This is just the one that he wanted. I'll email you photos of all of the fetishes that I'm making for this flute when you contact me. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be contacting me when you hear this voice. You just got to have one of these in your collection. Trust me. I've got to have me one. This is the first one that I've ever produced, folks. E flat, a bass E flat, tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. This is the first one I have ever produced. So Jim, you have my very first one, buddy. So treasure it. Okay. What'd you think? I love it. Like I said, I could play it all day. I love it, love it, love it. If you would like to have one of these flutes, just contact me. It is on sale. You will truly enjoy this flute. It is such a joy to play. Relaxing, it's soothing. If you get into a quiet room, close the door where the sound is, just surrounding you. This flute, I didn't add any sound effects, no type of reverb. I didn't add anything. I don't edit my videos. The only thing I do to my videos is put my name at the end. I don't edit these things. I don't tweak up the sounds of these flutes. What you see is what you get from me. And all of my flutes, I put my heart and my soul into them. I don't sit out there all day long and just push a button and the flutes get made. I don't do that. I take pride in my work, and I give it my all. If it doesn't sound good to me, I'll keep working with that flute and working with that flute and asking God to help me with that flute until I get it to that voice that I'm happy with. But I feel like this one has a wonderful voice. It's a voice that I haven't heard before. And I will be making me one of these flutes one of these days when I get time. I thank you all for purchasing my flutes. I couldn't do this without you, and I want to continue to thank God for helping me daily. Please subscribe to my channel if you will. And also beside that subscribe button, click that little bell. That way you will get every new video. You'll get a notification, an email notification of every video, because they will be new flutes. And you don't want to miss these flutes. I'm coming up with some pretty good stuff right now. According to my customers, they are some of the best flutes that they have ever heard. And they are some of the best flutes that they have ever played. So tune in with me, and I will appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I have a lot of you folks that's watching my videos who hasn't subscribed to me. I know, because I have a way to check it. So subscribe to my channel. You will not go wrong with these new flutes. Thank you so much for everything. I hope everyone has a blessed day.